Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make something really exciting, our own version of KFC's famous Chizza. It's a delicious combination of chicken and pizza, and trust me, it's going to be finger-licking good. So first I'm going to marinate the boneless chicken pieces with some salt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, lemon juice and 1 egg. Mix everything really well, keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's make the coating with some all-purpose flour, red chili powder, pepper powder and some salt. Now you also need some ice cold water. Now take each marinated chicken piece, coat it with the flour, dip it once in the ice cold water, then coat again with the flour. This process will make sure the chicken will be really crispy while frying. Repeat the same process with all the chicken pieces. After the second coating with the flour, just make sure to shake out all the excess flour from the chicken. And heat some oil and fry each chicken pieces in medium to hot oil. Flip it in between and make sure to fry both the sides till it turns golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll start assembling our Chizza. Spread a layer of pizza sauce on top of the chicken. Now add some pizza cheese on top of it. And add some veggies. And bake it for around 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, our homemade KFC Chizza is ready. Just look at that cheesy goodness. I can't wait to dig into this. Remember, you can customize your Chizzas with any toppings you love or with more and more cheese. Thanks for joining me today. Enjoy making your very own Chizza at home.